What's up, guys? Welcome to our cooking show.
The Kavanaugh Cooking Channel.
C.
Circle.
Heart. Square. Rhombus.
I'm hiding.
What's up, guys?
I really like it when we're vibing, but when I'm in another city,
So for today's video, we're going to be making, I'm like all over the counter because I'm like, hi, can you see me? So for today's video, we're going to be cooking something delicious. It's going, what?
That sounded like one of those educational videos, like, today we're going to be cooking something delicious.
This is a serious video.
Oh.
So what do you know how to cook? Because I don't know how to cook anything.
I thought we were baking a cake.
Okay, so we're going to bake a cake.
Without a recipe. Make it
From
challenging.
our brains.
I've never baked a cake before.
Me neither, not even with a recipe. You have to look for ingredients. Like, what goes in a cake?
Well, it's...
I know eggs go in a cake.
Yep, we're going to need some eggs, we're going to need some milk, we're going to need some sugar, you're going to need some salt, you're going to need some flour, you're going to need
Slow
some...
down, I'm not there yet. What comes after eggs? Eggs.
Alright, we got eggs.
Milk.
We got milk.
There's all-purpose and there's self-rising.
Sugar?
No, flour.
You can make a vanilla, I'll make a chocolate one. Grab cocoa, I'll grab vanilla.
Vanilla, chocolate, powdered, sugar.
No.
Can we
Never
make
mind.
pineapple upside down cake?
Why?
Because it's good.
Have you ever had it?
Yeah,
You ever
Mom
made
makes
it?
all the time. You lay them down and then you put the cake on it.
That would not be good with a chocolate cake.
Okay, well we won't do chocolate then. Clean it!
What do I do? I don't know what to do.
We can't cook, we can't clean.
How easy. Piece of cake. Clean.
Okay, so first thing you do is crack an egg.
No. What the first thing you do is you get a bowl to mix it in. We're gonna need this. We're gonna need this.
Need it.
Maybe this.
You know what? I know exactly what this is.
I know.
Need it.
Boom, you got these things.
Funnel? Check.
Icing.
Check.
Alright, so first things first. 2 eggs.
Okay.
Two eggs.
This cake is gonna feed a family of 6.
We have 5 here. Remember that one time where I cracked an egg perfectly?
Perfect.
Like, we're gonna need some flour.
Yeah. So this is the thing, you pour the flour in here, and then you do this, and you sift it.
1 cup of flour should do the trick.
Yeah, that
And
sounds great.
if you need more, you add
Then
it.
measure more.
Did you know that you're not supposed to pack down flour because it makes more space? You're supposed to scrape it off the top. But we're not at the top, so
Alright,
that's
pour
perfect.
it in there. I don't know what this is doing. That was so close to hitting my eye.
That looks cool though. It looks like you're going to Coachella. Coachella! That's what that's for?
Yeah, I don't know. It's taking forever.
Okay. So, 1 cup of flour, which should be about maybe half a cup of milk.
You're supposed to put it on the table so that it's level.
I'm steady. It's too much. That should be good.
You have to pour it in a circle.
No, they can't see that.
Then you grab a whisk.
No, you need sugar.
Oh yeah.
Gosh, just let me do it. You don't know what you're doing.
I say
This one
you
doesn't
should
have
just
any-
go crazy.
No, this one doesn't have any numbers on it.
So take that one.
You want to take the one that doesn't have any numbers on it and
I think
put about
that's
half.
a tablespoon.
So half a tablespoon of sugar. That's not
Oh,
enough.
cake, we need way more sugar than that. We need like cups of cups. I'm telling
3
you,
tablespoons.
dude. Just pour that right
4
in.
tablespoons
Oh,
of sugar.
oh my god, you know what we need? Baking soda.
A pinch of salt because that's what helps a rise, or is that for bread?
No, it just makes it tasty. You need a little bit of this. You know, y'all take things too seriously and you're like perfectly measuring, and all I'm saying is smack some ingredients together and get the job done. Just a very tiny little bit. That's probably good. Now once you have all the ingredients together, whisk it. Whisk it real good.
That's stupid. This don't look right.
It does, just keep going. While he's whisking, we're gonna take a can of pineapple slices, crack it open, and then you're just gonna take a pineapple and layer it on the pan, like
yeah. Because whenever you take the cake out, you flip it so the pineapples are on top.
This is so fantastic. This is just phenom. If they layer over a little bit, that's all good.
This smells so bad.
Then you're gonna have a beautiful layer of pineapple.
Maybe, oh, it's the pineapple that smells bad.
Oh, great.
That ain't enough.
Maybe I'll rise. Oh yeah, that's great. How about a layer of brown sugar?
A layer? Jesus.
Yeah, just sprinkle it around. Sprinkle.
What's wrong with that?
Looks fucking awesome.
That looks disgusting.
No, it's the dark brown sugar because it has more molasses in it.
Are you sure it's supposed to be clumpy?
Yeah, I eat it all the time. Then you just need to get your spatula and spatula this all around. Well, that looks.
Gross.
You're supposed to preheat the oven. That was supposed to be
shit.
like step 1.
Okay, well, step 9. Preheat the oven.
And while it's preheating, just take a chill.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe 400 degrees.
That sounds right. I'm just going to show you guys what this masterpiece looks like so far.
Set it to bake
So good.
for
So great.
400 degrees.
Great time. What can we do in the meantime? It's at 400!
Alright, open it.
Now put the cake in the oven.
Wait, do you need oven mitts to put it in?
No.
Ouch! Yeah, you do.
And you're gonna let that sit for about 20 minutes. Alright, so I'll meet you here in about 20 minutes. Why are you following me? There should be something in here called a cake tester, apparently.
Is it this?
No, it's a little metal stick.
Yeah, this is a whisk.
Yes.
How? What?
This is called a professional cake tester.
It's just a cake tester.
Clean. Oh, that looks. Oh my god.
Okay, here's the cake. It's the
Now
bottom.
it's for the grand event. The part where you flip it.
We need plastic. Because you don't ever want to put metal on metal. Because metal on metal creates sparks and you can make a fire.
This is a plate.
Yeah. Shouldn't we make it cool?
No. Sometimes you just gotta go for it.
Because you're
in life.
supposed to, like, flip it on top of it.
Yeah. It's like a giant pancake. Jinx. We finish each other's.
Cake.
That's what I was gonna say. Give it a little tap.
Who's your daddy?
Alright, lift. It looks beautiful!
That is the grossest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Now that is a pineapple upside down cake. Should we try this bad boy?
It's hot.
The consistency is
Not consistent.
hold on.
No, it's not good, but
It's not bad.
no, it is.
Ah! It's good. It's good. I would eat it.
You are eating it.
Come on guys, grab a fork. I gotta say,
I mean, yeah, I'd eat
if we
it.
had followed a real recipe, it would be amazing.
That's actually better than any cake mom's ever made.
We are just naturals. We could open a restaurant.
Name a pineapple cake? And all we make is this.
It's just like we make one dish out of scratch every day, and then every day it's something new.
We name it surprise. Because
Yes.
surprise, you could die.
And here we have to finish the whole thing.
Hour 4. About halfway done.
You can do it, Brucey! Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Jake, get out of the
Are you
video!
serious?
And subscribe down below before you go. Make sure you check out my next videos next time. Notification bell, swipe up. I knew it was a hit. Look, all y'all are coming back.
Yeah, I'm over it. Not that good.
It's actually quite terrible.